Okay guys, so yeah, the gasket is there. Yeah,
Show them how it's
metal gasket
Show them how
versus
it's
the paper one.
Again, metal.
Mm-hmm.
There's a pin here on this side,
Mm-hmm.
so that the gasket is not moving around like a chicken onto lay eggs.
So why are you talking like a colored?
No, I'm from Eldos.
Oh, you're from Eldos. This guy's from Eldos, guys. Yeah.
Or what you call it, Reveille.
Okay.
Wellberry. Hey, but was just again.
So yeah, right now we're just fitting pistons inside the block. Already number 1 is there. We're going for number 4. Obviously this is 2. We're going for number 4 because the crank is gonna correspond with 1 and 4, and then 2 and 3. So yeah. We're just showing you how to squeeze the piston rings into the ring squeeze. This is a ring squeezer or ring compressor, right? Make sure there's oil in the piston ring, cylinder, so that everything is smooth. Sure guys, yeah, now we're cracking on, we're continuing with doing this. So right now what we're doing is actually making sure that everything is okay for the head to go in. We're just preparing the smaller stuff, the studs, everything basically that we took out of the cylinder head. We're putting everything back. Yeah, so the camshaft also needs to go in, also needs a clean. Then after that, we're gonna be busy with the head. Guys, I'm really sorry about us not moving away from the camera. Yeah, you will see like we are blocking the view. So sorry about that. So yeah, let's crack on.
guys, no, it's an interesting day. So apparently this thing, we just put it upside down. So yeah, we have to take it out again and start all over. Hey, this is hilarious.
Okay, guys, so yeah, the gasket is there. Yeah,
Show them how it's
metal gasket
Show them how
versus
it's
the paper one.
Again, it's a metal.
Mm-hmm.
There's a pin here and this side, so that the gasket is not moving around like a chicken want to lay eggs.
So why are you talking like a colored?
No, I'm from Eldos.
Oh, you're from Eldos. This guy's from Eldos, guys. Yeah.
Oh, what you call this, Reveille?
Okay.
Westbury.
Hey, but was this again? Are you? Alright guys, so now we're gonna, it's not upside down. So now we're gonna torque the cylinder to the cylinder head to the block. First stage is 40 Newton meters on your torque wrench. Right? Ow. Let's go,